Hello everyone, here we meet again. My name is Errol and I am one of the sales representative of Sunballast. Today's webinar, it will be a recap of what we've been discussing in previous webinars, but also we added one very important part, which are our distributors and where Sunballast is located. First of all, who is Sunballast? Sunballast is part of Basic company, which is a leading Italian company in the productions of structures for PV systems since 2012. Sunballast was born from the direct experience from two colleagues, Maurizio Iannuzzi and Giuseppe Di Tella, who both of them, one specialized in the installation part and the other one specialized on the design part. Where we are. Sunballast is located, has two head offices. One of the head offices is located in the northern part of Italy, which is in Poviglio. Here you can see with the orange color, and the other head office is located in Tirana, in capital of Albania. On the blue side, you can see all the production sites, which they are located from the northern part of Italy till to the southern part, also in Tirana, Albania. Now moving on to our distributors page. In Romania, we do have two distributors, one located in Alexandria and the other one located in Bucharest. Very important, F Design Electric and Green Sun East Europe. They both have stock material with them, which makes it easier for all the customers that are located inside Romania to order directly through them. There's no need of ordering through Sunballast from Italy, but you can order straight from Romania. The other country is Belgium. We do have two distributors as well, one located in Liège and the other distributor located in East Flanders. Very important, Worldwide Export has stock material with them, so you can contact straight away them. In Netherlands, we do have two distributors, Hextra and Solar LED. They are both located in the northern part of Netherlands. In Czech Republic, we have one in capital, in Prague, which is HB Solar, which has stock material, and the other distributor is Airplast, it's located in Pardubice. The last country is Turkey. We have one distributor there. At the moment there is no stock material, Asia International, which you can contact always their site, and they can provide you all the Sunballast products. Now we're going to move on to the most common and problems that all the installers are facing and what Sunballast solutions are for this. Problems if we have rooftop obstacles, Sunballast came out with a solution. Standard system, which is a very easy and practical system as well. This is created mainly to avoid all the obstacles, all the antennas and chimneys. It is a very flexible system. You can use it on single rows, or you can use it on double rows or more rows that you want to add. It has the ability to circumvent any obstacle on the coverage, and comes with a wide range of inclination from 0 to 35 degrees. The main thing for this is you can use the traditional ballast is you can add extra accessories, which you can add the reinforcement bars, as you can see it in this picture in here. Also you can add the windshield, especially for the countries that they have high wind and snow load, which makes the system more resistant. Another problem is when we do have space and shadow. And a lot of customers, they are calling me that, okay, I have less space in my roof, how can I put the maximum number of the modules? Here is a solution for it. Sail shape system or sail system. This system is available only on two inclination, on 5 degree and on 11 degree. The 11 degrees, the first picture that we see here, it is with 3 rows, and you can add like 3 modules attached to each other with no need of leaving space between. And the 5 degree, which is made of 6 rows, you can put 6 panels attached to each other without the need of leaving space. Here you can see a few installations made in different countries with 11 and 5 degrees. Which, as you can see, there is a very limited space on the roof, and the customers went for the solution. Okay, sail will be the perfect solution for it, and here's the realization. Also, especially when we have areas that they have high surrounding walls, or areas that we can place the ballast directly on the ground, some customers prefer to use the highest ballast, which you can choose the 11 one, the last ballast, or we can choose the 5th degree, the last, or the one before it, which you can make as a single row ballast, and like this it can prevent the growth of the grass, or can go above the surrounding walls on the buildings. Yeah, this is a very common question. I mean, especially nowadays, these years, a lot of companies, they are developing like very large modules, and some companies, they are not able to provide them the solution for it. We came for a solution for the large modules that they are more than 2 meters. So we have the 10-degree ballast for 2-meter modules, which at the moment is available only on the vertical post where you can place it, because on the horizontal post we can use all our other inclinations for it. As you can see, here is a picture which shows the panels is placed on a vertical post, and the advantages of this system is allows the installation of 2-meter modules and complies with the support on fastening points indicated by module procedures. Of course, it's very resistant and keeps the snow load and protects the warranty, and is a very, very good solution for all the engineers or installers that have been struggling lately. Also, here's the picture on 3D made for that, and here are the dimensions of the structure. If we have problem with bad orientation of the building, we also came with another solution, which is our east-west system. So a common question that comes, okay, I have a big building in front of my roof, I have a tree that is higher than my building, and the wind blows in this side or the wind blows on the other side. So east-west solution is the perfect solution for it. The advantages of this system is optimized installation in small space. As you can see from the picture, it's very easy to install it. So all you need to do, you can get 2 ballasts back to each other, and like this you can create the east-west solution. It reduces the cost of assembly time, of course. It's very easy to install it, and it's very strong wind resistance. Below we have a few pictures where we can see that some customers, they faced a lot of problem. Here we see high trees, and here you can see buildings in front of it, and the customer went for the east-west solution. Problems with wind resistance, which is very common, is our Connect system. Our Connect system is our newest system, and is our most used system from all of it. Connect system is made out of 3 ballasts. We have a front ballast, a central one, and a terminal ballast. This system's advantages is very fast to assemble, very high wind resistance, and certified without additional accessories. So all what you need to do is place the sheath under the ballast, the module, and the clamp, the kit that we do provide you when we give you the ballast. The good thing about it is it has a distributed load, structure plus module. It can go approximately 15 to 20 kgs per square meters. It comes in different inclination from 5 to 30, and we can use it on 10-degree vertical poles as well. Of course, you get a reduced cost for kilowatt, and because this system is lighter than the others, you can get a low in the sense of transport cost. Below we have a few installations made with some ballast Connect system, and here is the 10-degree vertical Connect system that I told you that it's only at the moment is the only inclination available for Connect system, only 10 degree, where the customer wants to put the panels on vertical post. For the countries that they want to have a more resistant system, this system is very resistant, but in case you have high wind loads and all this, we also provide you with additional extra weight, which are the U-shape here. As you can see on the picture, they'll be adding on the middle of the central ballast, and you can make the system stronger than it is. The newest solution that some ballast came lately was the Sail Connect system, 5 degrees. As you can see on the picture, it allows you to connect 2 modules next to each other without leaving space between them with the Connect system, which means we have more energy in less space, low structural load, high wind resistant, reduced cost, of course, very fast to assemble, and low in the sense of transport costs, since it's a Connect system. The other solution that we came up, because a lot of customers, when we do, especially when we phone them and when we are in touch, mainly they have like, okay, but the client wants to have a inclination that you don't have it available. For example, let's say we don't have a 13 degrees inclination. Of course, we suggest them to go 15 or to go 10, but the customer wants it to have a different inclination. We also have the specific design needs for that, and we do have a solution that has a custom system, as you can see in here, in the custom system, where you can place the modules in vertical, you can place them in horizontal, you can place them in two types. Here you can see a standard system and a east-west system made straight away. But always on this one we need to inform always the technical office and our production manager, which we're gonna tell us the best solution for this. Another page that is very important for, especially for SunBallast, is our technical service. In the technical, SunBallast offers a free technical and consulting service for all his customers and all the people that they want to know more about our product, or if they want to have a personalized quote. So what do we offer? We offer a highly qualified and completely free technical service, and that one includes all the technical drawing of the system, all the bills of material, all the accessories and everything that is included in the offer, all the sizing calculation of the ballast and the dimension of including with the model on it, a technical report signed by a qualified technician that we have in our offices, and phone support. Always you can contact us through our agents. Fields of application of SunBallast. But previously, before I open this, I was showing you pictures of different installations made with different solutions. So now we're going to see exactly where we can use SunBallast, where we can use SunBallast products, which doesn't mean we can use our product only on the flat roof. We can use our standard, we can use our ballast even on the ground, even through inclined roof. So let's see together one by one. So the first one is that we can use SunBallast straight away on concrete on pavement floor. Here we see pictures and of installation done. Here we have a 15-degree ballast, 15-degree inclination, which is done on Lithuania from our client. As you can see, the floor, the pavement and concrete. Exactly here used our standard system. So this is for the pavement and the concrete. Then we go on gravel, especially countries Austria, Germany. They mostly of their roof they are covered with gravel. It's very easy. You can place our ballast straight away on the gravel without the need of adding the sheath under it. Some customers they want to add it, some customers they don't. We do not suggest it, but you can place the ballast straight away. Here you see another installation made with a gravel roof, the standard system, 5 degrees ballast. Yeah. The other field is on the sheath. There are a lot of roofs that the material is only sheath and it can be slippery, so our ballast can be used there as well. As you can see in here, the black sheath which is placed under each ballast, which protect it, is a bituminous sheath, and lately we changed it to a damp-roll sheath, which is more effective, more strong, and better quality than it was. Here as well, as you can see that the customer added something like the grass, the fake grass, and there is a sheath under it, and we can place the ballast with the sheath under. Green roofs, very common as well in European countries. A lot of roofs they are green. We can place the ballast straight away as well here with the sheath or without the sheath, as the client prefers. Here you have. Here we see the use of a high ballast because the client was worried if the growth of the grass would affect the ballast, and since it's a standard system, he used also the bars to make the system more strong. Ground installation, as I mentioned before, we can use our structure even on the ground. Since we do not have like very high ballast, we do have like like 35 centimeters above the ground from the end of from the start of the model to the ground goes to 35 or more than that. But some customers they prefer to arrange the soil before. So here we see a customer that used a protective sheath and then he placed our ballast. Also here we can see that customer prepared the sheet with concrete, and then he placed the ballast. But it's not necessary. There are customers that they can place it straight away on the floor as long as the soil is beaten and it doesn't affect the ballast. The last field of application is for the roofs who are inclined, which is the most common thing. Questions from clients that they ask, oh, but your ballast is very heavy, can we put your ballast on an inclined roof, it's going to slip, it's going to... So here we have a solution for it. So for the roofs that they go from 0 to 5 degrees, our ballast can be placed perfectly. Then if it goes from 5-degree inclination into 10-degree inclination, we always have to take in consideration, we have to get the data sheet of the roof, and we have to send it over to our technician to check it if our ballast will be suitable or not. Here we have a picture of a coplanar ballast, which is 0 degree, since we see that the roof has a slope, and the client preferred to use a 0 degree inclination and place the ballast straight away. So some roofs that they are very slippery, we also do suggest to use gluing foam, our polyframe foam, which we do provide it when we have an offer with an inclined roof, and always that comes from our technician if it's required or no. But if it's more than 5 degree, majority of the time the polyframe foam is required for our ballast, because a lot of customers will say that, okay, I want to have a 15 or 20 degree inclination and on an inclined roof with 5 degrees. So yeah, to make it more strong and to make it to be more protective, the polyframe foam is required. I guess these are all the fields that I explained you, and where some ballast products can go through it. For all we discussed, so as I mentioned at the beginning, my name is Harold. Here you can find all my contact details, my email address and mobile number. Thank you very much. I hope this webinar was helpful for you, and showing to you all the distributors that we had across the countries. We're going to have other webinars as well with my colleagues, where they're going to explain other countries like in Germany, in Austria, in France, in the continent of Africa as well, in Latin America. So all my colleagues with that will do their webinars and explain to you the distributors we have there. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a great day. Bye.